Guys, Michael Kiehm here. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina. Hope to see some of you guys there at Trilogy coming up pretty soon. What we did today was we talked a little bit about what I call the 2-beat challenge, or the 2-beat increment dance. The challenge means you go home and you take any basic figure and you change the 2-count increments to do something different or unique without losing the integrity of the pattern. So as a leader, let's say for an example, if I have a sugar push, it takes me 3 units of 2 beats. 1 unit, 2 unit, and the 3rd unit. But I'm really bored with that, so I want something different. So 1 and 2, I'll split. On 3, I'll lean to my right. On 4, I'll come back up. She's still going to feel everything she needs to feel. For counts 5 and 6, I'm going to lift and slide back. 5 and 6. So something different. And switch it around a little bit. Try different things. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Still a sugar push. Still had all the same placements I should have been in. That's syncopations. Different types. There's a million of them. You need to go on YouTube and just study these top dancers and look at what they're doing with their feet and their body. Steal it. That every 2 beats you can make interesting for the follower. 1 and 2, 3, 4. I wanted something different with that 3, so I get a little swirl in the knees. 3, 4. Here counts 5 and 6. I'm going to swirl again, turn and move away on 6. I'm supposed to get back to my connection. That's why I took that last step. The other thing we talked about is accenting the 2 counts where you have that nice strong up and down beat in music. So now 1 and solid 2, 1 and solid 2, 1 and solid 2. That's what basic triples, but it'll make you look really clean. Same as the lead. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you notice when I put the 2 down, it's only the ball of my foot. Every time. 1, 2, 1, 2. Why? 1, 2. Why don't I just put the whole foot down?
Excellent.
Because that tick is so tight, if I put it down, I'm going to muddy it. It'll become 1, 2. See, it takes longer to go 2 up than it is to go 2. Done. Clean. 1, 2. Lines are more interesting with event knee and with flat feet. So that's another concept for you. The 2-beat challenge is you play with the timing of the 2 beats. How you move is the other one. Try not to bounce, try to glide, rumble walk when you come forward later. 1, 2. Do a little salsa on the triple step. Do a little mambo on the last step. Afro-Cuban dance. Anything you can think of that you may have learned from someplace else. Okay? You could be coming in on 1, 2, and then do cha-cha. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 2 locks from cha-cha. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so it's really, the more you learn about other dances, the more you're going to assist your swing. It's going to make your swing just that much more versatile. So anything you can get into, any class, anywhere, jazz class, modern class, lyrical class, go take one. You'll probably come out and go, oh, I can do that in here. Talk to the ladies about making a more lyrical ending of a pattern. You get to the 4th beat and go, hey, sweep the leg, place the foot, shake into it. Let them see you develop this turn. He'll come in and pick you up, or he'll let you turn. And that can be done at the end of anything. Anytime you're a sweetheart, you can duck out. Anytime you're shadow, you can tuck your foot under you and you can roll out. But you got to give them a connection. So when you come up, if you don't feel something connected to you strongly, rotate your shoulder into the connection. That'll give them something to spin you with. Don't do anything after the duck out. Let him do it. So you took the move, now you have to give it back to him. So you don't come out of the duck out and then whip a 1-foot spin and drop on the ground and you split. Okay? We're left looking at you like, oh, nice. No. Just do something and then give him something that he can do something with. And then it'll go back to you again. Does that make sense? Better step is the crossover. 1 and up, 2. The twist gives it a nice flash. So if you hold the arm, when you get to 6, you flip it. 1 and up, 2. And try to come forward with your left side positive. Never flat. Never enter or leave a pattern flat. Always enter angle or end angle. Much more interesting. That's 1 and 2. Another one is peels. You guys, I need to show you this. This is very cool. Do it coming as a sugar push. You just have 1 and 2. You close your left foot and peel your left toe. Then take 2 backing steps. Then you do it again. You peel your right toe and you back up again. Now you're back on track. And you've added some very cool rhythm. So 1, 2, peel, step, step, peel, step, step. Very funky. It's very bluesy. The guys do the same. I do 1, 2, peel, step, step, and peel, step, step on the right times. So the peel is kind of like doing a moonwalk. You know how they slide one and dig the other? Same thing, but I'm not sliding it, I'm just opening it. So this is 1. And if your rhythm is kind of tap, to tap, to tap, you would split it up. And 1, See the difference? And 1 versus 1. All in one, I'm using software. 1 and 2, 1. And if it gets real gooey, take it down. Take it down. And let the legs swing wider. These are really good and they're really common right now, very popular. So they'll make the dance look more current. Yes?
Yes.